saying all the things I've lost this trip. This is the last day, so here we go. I broke my phone, my GoPro, my Beats, my tripod, and my phone case. Pretty much broken all my things. Like, I don't know how everything breaks in like one vacation site. I don't even know how that happens. But anyways, hope you guys have an amazing day. Right now, I'm about to go in the pool, not the ocean. Even though I'm on the ocean, I'm about to go in the pool. It's the last day. Hope you guys enjoy.
With my homies, yeah, this is how it should be. Wow, yeah, this is how it should be. Wow.
Alright guys, so we are in the pool. We got Nico right here, Jordan, Lisa. Lisa told me that it would be more interesting if I went to go jump off the dock. So that's what I'm going to go do. Alright, so we are on the dock right now. I'm going to jump off. It's pretty wavy, but here we go. I lost my hat. I got the hat, guys. Alright, so right now we are in the pool, and I'm going to show you some shots of yesterday, because I went to the zoo yesterday, and we got to go in the cage with some monkeys. So here is those shots. I didn't get to film a lot of it because my battery died on the camera. Here you guys go. Alright, so we are at this monkey and sloth hangout, but I just don't know why he's wearing a Steelers. Like, out of all the teams, like, that's just so random. So we're just gonna hang out with some monkeys, some sloth, see what we do. Here we go. Hi. We got our first monkey eating our goldfish. Doing there. Alright, so I just found out why there's Steelers all over the place. Because the owner is just loves the Steelers, so that is why. There's a bunch of Steeler things here. Alright guys, so we are about to go in this monkey cage. Take off my hat. They said be nice to them because they like to take a lot of things from you and put them in their mouths. So here we go.
Like, where'd it go?
Hi.
And Nick is so funny how they train him like.
Look at this, so cute.
Let them vlog. Let them vlog.
They're vlogging.
He's vlogging.
Oh my gosh, yes.
Alright guys, I'm all oiled up. I just put some coconut oil. This is my sister's camera, by the way. Let's go show this oily body to everyone at the pool. Here we go. Hey guys.
What about this? Oh, you're oily.
You like me, Nico? Julie.
Did you put on more for your video?
Yeah.
Oh.
I didn't get much of a reaction, so I'm just gonna go back in the pool. Alright guys, so I'm about to go get a lobster. Got a stick and a trash bag and some snorkeling gear. Let's get it. Alright guys, change of plans. I'm gonna use socks to get the lobster. And we got a knife. Let's see. Alright, so right now we are going to eat, dinner. We're on a bumpy road right now, but we're gonna go eat dinner. It's supposed to be a really nice view. Great food, so I'll see y'all guys there.
Yo, what is up, guys? We have Dylan here, Parker, Mom, Blaine, and the gang. We're in Paya Bay right now. We'll see y'all guys
No,
there.
stop.
I'm turning off my phone, yo. I ain't got no worries. Yeah, my life is normal. Hanging with my homies. Yeah, this is how it should.
We got more doggies coming, more doggos. This is the view of where we're eating. Help me! No. No. Bad dog. As you can see, guys, I'm out of breath. That's because my boy Chestnut over here has been attacking me. I'm super tired now. And I'm gonna go sleep. Alright guys, so I am going to get this shrimp spaghetti Pomodoro, sorry. Alright guys, so we got our pasta right here. Let's dig in.
We were all very loud.
Is there shrimp in there?
Queso.
Very good.
Yep.
Alright guys, so we got some dessert.
Just gonna try
That is spicy. Let's dig in. Oh my gosh. Magnificent. 10 out of 10.
Are you even taking a breath?
For sure. Alright, so the end result of the ice cream is right here.
Oh yeah,
My boy Parker down here
All this chocolate cake
ate it all.
I'm gonna do a video exposure.
That is gonna be our dinner. Wait, and I still have to go get the lobster tonight. Hopefully I get it for y'all. Coaster, we're on the roller coaster. We're on our roller coaster. Alright guys, so we are back at the house. Dinner was great. Put these swim trunks on right now and go in the ocean and catch my lobster. Okay, Mom, get the attention. Oh. Anyway, so that's what I'm about to do right now. After that, if I'm not successful, I'm going to go in the pool with the fam. So let's go, boy. Alright, so there's no underwater flashlight, and it's pretty dark outside. So I can't see the lobster in the coral reef. So I can't go, but I am going to go swimming. What you looking at, fool?
You, because you're lying. You have a flashlight right in your hand. Is he really recording? Yeah.
So yeah, I'm gonna go in the water. That's gonna do it for today. I'll see you guys in the morning.
You go lose hope. People come and go. I just need your love. We all need to trust the process. I ain't even done yet.
So I'm at the airport right now, about to get on my flight back to H-Town, back to Houston. So I'm kind of sad that we're leaving, but I get to see hometown.
I'm turning off my phone, yo. I ain't got no worries. Yeah, my life is normal. Hanging with my homies. Yeah, this is how it should.
Nico right here wants to give a shout out to his channel, so here it goes.
My channel is Nico Rock, NICOROCK space 2. That's Nico Rock 2.
Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe.
Ladies and gentlemen, would you please help us prepare the cabin
Wow. As I was saying, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Yeah, this is how it should be. Ooh, wow.